Hey everyone, it's Steve from Kettlehaven Ranch. Today is November 25th, 2019, and today we're going to start our first giveaway for our channel. On Christmas Eve, December 24th, 2019, we'll be drawing one random winner from the comment section below on this video. To enter, simply type in drawing in the comments. The winner will be receiving a 21-inch by 7.5 inch by 0.96 inch thick cattle drive mantelpiece. You can hang it on the wall, you can sit it on your mantle, and you can customize it specifically to your desire. I have room for about 50 characters. We can change the font on it. But the winner will be notified and given the choices and options to finalize the piece. For this giveaway, all handling and shipping within the continental United States is included. For addresses winners outside of the United States, the actual costs for shipping and handling, unfortunately, I have to pass along to the winner, but we'll get it sent as quick as possible. Also, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell to get updates on this drawing in the future.